One pan rosemary and garlic chicken thigh recipe that is perfect with mashed potatoes. I am Valerie Dawson and I will be showing you how to make this yummy chicken dinner. Stay tuned. I got the inspiration for this video from Tess Cooks For You. Her channel or her video will be linked in my description box below if you want to check out her version of this exact type of dinner. All right, the first thing I'm doing is salt and peppering my chicken thighs, or my leg thighs. I really wanted to just have chicken thighs, but they didn't have it at the grocery store. So yeah, I'm just salt and peppering both sides. Now I'm going to be searing really mainly just the skin side at first, the skin side at first, with the skin side down. I'm going to let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes, which was more like 7 minutes. Then I'm going to flip the chicken and cook for additional 2 to 3 minutes. And then I'm going to remove it from the pan. In the same pan on medium heat, and diced onion, and cook for a couple minutes. Add a heaping tablespoon of fresh rosemary and about 4 large sprigs of thyme. Or if you don't have your fresh ingredients, you're gonna do I think it was a teaspoon of rosemary I used, and then I think it was a teaspoon of thyme too. Yeah, it was a teaspoon of each. Then I'm going to stir it, or you're going to stir it, and cook for 30 seconds to a minute. Then add wine and garlic, and then cook it for a minute or two. Then you're going to turn off your heat. Place chicken skin side up in pan, and add the chicken juices. And then if you have that fresh rosemary and stuff, you can place the extra sprigs of rosemary and thyme around the chicken, which I didn't, so I skipped that step. And then I'm going to bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, or until the internal temperature of the chicken reaches 190 to 200 degrees. And then I'm going to remove the chicken and add the herb sprigs from the pan if you use the fresh sprigs. If not, like I didn't, you don't have to do that step. Then you're going to return the pan to stove on low medium. You're going to taste the sauce for whatever seasonings you think you might need, which I think I needed a little bit more pepper, so I put more pepper. And if you have fresh parsley, you can add it, or you can do what I did and put, it was 4 teaspoons of parsley. And then I put in about 2 tablespoons of cold butter, and then I stirred until it was incorporated. And then you're pretty much done. You can serve it. It's easy. It's an easy go-to recipe. I'm pretty sure I've made this a few times, like a lot. But yeah, I hope you like it. I need to mention a few things. I should have bought green beans to go with this, to go on the side, but I forgot. But the green beans would go great with it, with the mashed potatoes that soaks up all the gravy and stuff. Maybe next time. A delicious chicken dinner that will only take an hour or less. Can't beat that. I hope you give this rosemary chicken thigh or leg thigh recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit that like button. I had 4 likes in 48 hours on my last meatloaf video that I did. before. And my goal is 8 likes in 48 hours for this one. So please, please, please hit that like button. If you want to see the meatloaf video that will be at the end, at an end card on the screen here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you buddies on the next video. Bye.